Hello and welcome to your mom's favorite channel. Today we'll be making something that might not be the healthiest, but it's so good. Deep fried Oreos. So obviously you'll need some Oreos, but you can experiment and play around and try to use some other cookies too. I'll be trying these, as they've got a nice chocolate center and that might melt and that would be really good. So this recipe is really easy to throw together, but first, a word from Nori. Okay, Nori. Yes, Nori. Hey, what's this? What's this? You want one? It's a cookie. Do you want this cookie, Nori? No, sorry, Nori. Mom said chocolate isn't good for cats, but you can have the rest of the video off. Goodbye, Nori. Goodbye, Nori. Anyway, that's enough chitty chatty. Let's make this. So we'll be making a batter for these little fuckers. So first, get a bowl and get a measuring cup. Then measure out 1 cup of all-purpose flour or self-raising flour, 1 cup of milk, 1 teaspoon of sugar, or a little more if you want to, a pinch of salt, a dash of vanilla essence, add the milk to the flour, and then you start mixing. Mix this until it goes nice and smooth and you don't see any lumps, and this should be a nice thick pancake batter consistency. And then it's pretty much ready to go into the oil. But first it's time for this little fucker to pay up. I've given him several warnings, but he thinks I'm fucking around. So consider this to be your final warning, Dave. I know where your family lives. And the next step will be taking you to the oil pot. So you best pay up. Oh, what was that? Let's go, bitch. For fuck's sakes. Maybe this will work. Get some oil up to 180 degrees Celsius and then carefully dunk in your battered Oreo, 1 or 2 at a time. They cook very quickly, so after about 20 seconds or so you can flip it over and then just let it cook until it's golden brown, and then place them on some kitchen towels to drain off the excess oil. Hey, this one's got a dreadlock. Everything I on. You'll see that they look a little bit inflated, but as soon as you take them out they'll deflate and go flat. So, with the amount of batter that we made, I ended up with about 26 of these. The exterior is nice, light and fluffy. And on the inside, you can see that the filling has melted and has gone nice and gooey. And let's have a taste. Ugh, my fuck. This stuff is fucking delicious. So this is the other cookie. It's nice and melted on the inside, nice and chocolatey. And it's so good too. God damn. Anyway, let's plate this up and I'll show you how to enjoy this the right way. Let's eat. Look, this stuff makes a fucking killer party snack. Anyone will love this, regardless of age, young or old. And then finish it off with a little bit of powdered sugar. And when I say a little bit, I mean you can put as much as you fucking want to. Just don't try to eat all of them in one sitting. But hey, who am I to tell you what to do? This is one of those treats best shared with friends and loved ones, but not your pets, because mom said chocolate isn't good for dogs, but a moderate amount of soy milk is okay. So enjoy. If you like these recipes, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. If you have any questions or suggestions, leave it in the comment below. Like this video, follow me on my other social medias, and as always, see you in the next one. Peace!